Hi, in section 5.2 we're going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. As a reminder to start off, I want to remind you all that you can only combine like terms. So, for example, we can combine the terms 2x squared and 3x squared to 5x squared, but we cannot combine 2x squared plus 3x because the x's are not like terms. Okay? So, we're going to go ahead and try to reduce down as much as possible. 2a squared plus 3a minus 1 minus 4a squared plus 5a minus 6. Okay? Now, keep in mind that we talked about this in a previous section, that when you have this negative sign out in front of an entire term, that means this whole term is being subtracted off from this term. Therefore, every term in here is going to have that negative sign applied to it. So this first set of parentheses remains unchanged because, again, nothing in this first set of parentheses can be combined together. There are no like terms. We're going to subtract off this whole term at the end. So we're going to have a negative 4a squared. We've got minus a positive 5a squared. Minus times a positive is a minus. And then we have a minus a negative 6. A negative times a negative becomes a positive. Okay, and now we can start combining together our like terms. We've got two terms with a squared here. So we can put those together. 2a squared minus 4a squared. We have two terms with a. So we've got a positive 3a minus 5a. And we have a negative 1 and a positive 6. Minus 1 plus 6. And now we can combine each term together, each set of terms together to get our final answer. So we've got 2a squared minus 4a squared. That gives us a negative 2a squared. We've got a positive 3a minus 5a. That gives us a minus 2a. And we have a negative 1 and a positive 6, which leaves us with a positive 5. And therefore that is the reduced form of this initial equation. Please let me know if you have any questions.